How you doing? I'm TreniuS, and you're tuning into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are working for us because we're doing right. Use these affirmations right here, what I'm about to tell you. If you want to become successful, use these affirmations right here, folks. Okay? All right, so let's get right down into it. First and foremost, I want to tell you this. I had a great time last night, man. I went out. I don't normally go out like that because I'm always tied to YouTube and making content and doing research and stuff like that. But I went out last night and I went out the night before, okay? And so I had some revelations while I was out. You know, I had some revelations while I was out, and I learned a lot of things, you know. And one thing that I was around when I was out was a lot of people who were successful. So I'm just sitting and looking at all these successful people. You know, I'm at the NBA All-Star game looking at all these all-star athletes and business owners. I'm just like, yo, what makes them successful? And so I had the opportunity to like actually walk upon like some like business moguls and whatnot. I'm not gonna really name people, but I had the opportunity because I was courageous and I stepped out on risk. I took my chances and I tried to approach business moguls, and I actually landed conversations with some of these business moguls, and they basically told me the same thing that we talk about here on the infamous Living Realm Network, okay? When it comes to success, folks, what you have to know is affirmations. It don't matter what your situation is going through, man. It don't matter what you're in. It don't matter what type of problem you in, man. I was just talking to a REM team member, and she was talking about something that she's going through. And I told her, listen, all you got to do is speak these affirmations that what I'm about to tell you, you know, over the thing that you're going through, you know. And if you want to have success in your life, folks, you got to start speaking successful affirmations. I mean, that's how I started to become successful. When I started to become successful was when I learned how to like speak over my situation. Now, see, the thing with affirmations is this. Now, you could be doing something that you do not like to do, right? You don't like to do it. Okay. In that moment that you're doing a thing that you don't, if you don't like to work on cars, while you're working on cars, while you're pulling out the transmission, all you have to do is say, I will not be working on cars. Crank, crank, crank. I will not be working on cars. Crank, crank. You pulling out transmission, you still working on somebody's car, they're going to pay you. I will not be working on cars. And every time your mind reminds you of why you're doing what you're doing, you will respond with an affirmation. See, that's the thing that the mind will do, folks. The mind will always remind you, is this what you want? Okay? Your intuition will always remind you, is this something that you want to be doing right now? You're riding a bike through a nature trail. Do you want to do this again next week? I can guarantee you, while you're riding that bike through the nature trail, your subconscious mind is going to bring a thought to your conscious mind. It's going to say, hey, do you want to do this again next week? Folks, everything you do, I don't care if you go to the ice cream parlor and get a cone of ice cream, folks. Your subconscious mind is going to say, okay, I'm keeping memories. That's what I do. I'm a memory holder. Is this something that you want to do regularly, occasionally? You know, like, do you want to do this every day? Like, your subconscious mind is always reminding you of the things that you want to do more and more and more and more and more of. So think about this when it comes to success. You can easily be successful. You can easily be successful. All you have to do is start doing the thing that will make you successful. Whatever, if you have a business, if you're a model, I don't care what it is, whatever your profession is, you know, whatever your profession is, whatever you do, all you have to do is do that thing, and then your subconscious mind is going to say, hey, how often do you want to do this? See, some people are not really confident in like how often they want to do it. They be like, well, yeah, you know, well, only thing I did was get the business cards. This week I got my business cards. Hey, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. But at the same time, it's like, okay, what's after that? What's after that? And so when a subconscious mind talks to them and tells them like, hey, okay, you got the business cards. What you want to do next? They still stuck on celebrating because they got the business cards. Yeah, I got the business cards. Yeah. Got my business cards. got my business cards. And the subconscious mind like, okay, yeah, I'm going to put that in your folder. It's going to be a cold case file because I'm never going to ever bring it back up again because I can see clearly that you want to stay here. Now, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you go forward. So when you're using affirmations, folks, you got to get in the habit of speaking over the thing that you don't want to do in the present moment. I am much more happier than I was yesterday. Like, I woke up this morning, the first thing I said was, I am a king. I am going to have a great day. I am going to be prosperous today. Like, my subconscious mind reminded me because I do it habitually. You see what I'm saying? When you get in the habit of using these affirmations habitually, your subconscious mind will go on autopilot and it will begin to help you. Every single morning when you wake up, say the affirmations as soon as you get up in the morning of anything that you want to do. You can attach anything you want to I am, I will, I can. Every single morning when you wake up, use an affirmation. It only takes 20 seconds, man. It's very inexpensive. It's the most inexpensive thing upon planet Earth in the cosmos to be able to just get up and just speak affirmations every single morning. It's easy, folks. Remember, I can, I will, and I am. When you get up in the morning, say, I am going to do whatever you want to do. When you get up in the morning, say, I can do whatever you think that you want to do. Okay? Whatever you think that you want to do. And also say, I will go to such and such place, wherever you want to go. I will be able to, supervise these employees today without getting mad. I will be able to operate throughout my day without fear that somebody's going to come after me and kidnap me or something. I will be able to be more open-hearted today if I want to attract men into my life. I will be able to go around crowds of people without feeling fretful, fearful, scared. I will be able to be more of an extrovert today versus being an introvert. Every single morning when you wake up, you got to use these affirmations that will lead you to success. Keep in mind, folks, it's all about training the subconscious mind, okay? It's not that you can't do what you want to do. Everything's possible. It's just that your subconscious mind won't allow you to do what you want to do because it's programmed with patterns of things that you've probably been doing for years or that somebody told you to do, and it has to break the pattern. The subconscious mind is like an algorithm. You got to be able to break it and tame it, and tame it to be able to go in a direction that you wanted to go in versus what everybody else told you who you should be. It's the subconscious mind that's holding you back from the things that you want to attract. It's the subconscious mind that's keeping you from getting the millions of dollars because so many people told you how cool it is to be broke. It's the subconscious mind, folks, that's keeping you from attracting the perfect relationship because every relationship in the past is hindering you and it's coming up and bubble up into your memory telling you he's not going to be good because he wasn't good and he wasn't good and he wasn't good and he wasn't good. It's the subconscious mind that does these things, folks. So you got to get in a habit of being able to break the cycle, the pattern, the thought processes in your mind with affirmations. Okay? So whatever you want to do in life, I can, I will, I am. These are the 3 affirmations that will cover for anything that you want to do in life. I can, I am, and I will. All you have to do is get up every single morning. I like to say 21 days. Get up for every single morning. Say the things that you want to do using these 3 affirmations, okay? And that's why you got to that's why I paraphrased it, because you got to be able to use I can, I will, and I am to use the affirmations to apply to the things that you want to do in life, because everything that you do in life is not all about like I am going to be wonderful. Like sometimes it's like I want a new job. So it's like I will get a new job, or I can get a new job today, or you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. You're smart. You like-minded individuals. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning into this video, folks. I'm TreniuS Henderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. Make sure you subscribe up here by clicking my face icon. That's me right there, the little wink right there. That's me. Yep. Little pretty boy Floyd. Little pretty boy Floyd Mayweather, that's me. Okay, so also check out this video right here if you're interested in watching another video that I talk about affirmations. So with that being said, I love y'all, and we getting close to 10K subscribers. I thank y'all so much, man. Let's share a video today. Let's just share a video today, folks. Let's just do it. Let's just see these numbers rise. But thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.